transformation. And for today, I'll be doing another transformation video. If you haven't seen my transformation of my room in 5 days, you can check it out up here. And for today, I'll be transforming that table behind me. As you can see, it's really messy. It's a table, sort of my work table, study table / storage table outside of my room in the living room. And I decided this year I'm gonna clean it up and decorate it and use it as my new backdrop of my videos, in some of my videos. New year, new backdrop, new me, who dat? New year, new backdrop, new me, who dat? New year, new backdrop, new me, who dat? And I'll be showing you the process of me doing it and the knickknacks that I have and made, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get to it. Whoop!
This car could be systematic, hydromatic, ultramatic. Why could be grease lightning? Grease lightning!
So good! Enjoyed the transformation of my table. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below if you haven't already. And if you want to know more about the knickknacks on my table that I have or that I've made, you can tell me or ask me about it either on my social media, or ask me or message me, comment down below, or anything to reach me and catch me, call me, beat me if you want to reach me, so possible. And I'll gladly tell you more about it. And starting from this week, I'll be releasing desktop and phone wallpapers every week for free. And you can get that either on my website down below or on my Pinterest page, which I'll be putting it down below as well. So getting a desktop wallpaper is free, iPhone wallpaper is free, subscribing to me is free, everything's free, so go do that. I want to release all my creative energy to all of you and joy to all of you out there, so you guys can enjoy all of it and use it. And yeah, and I'll see you next week. Bye!